I'm going to give you 7 stocks that could literally 10x your money over the next 10 years. Now, the old way of investing 25 years ago is dead. So many people are becoming millionaires in the stock market because they're looking at specific companies and looking at their cash flow, their fundamentals, all the different things that everybody's looked at over the years. But now we're in kind of a new age of investing where there's a lot of social sentiment, politics, different people looking to invest in other companies. There's a strong fundamental shift in investing over the last even 5 years that you as a beginning investor should be aware of. So I'm going to give you 7 stocks that you should put in a $1,000 portfolio. And I think that portfolio is going to grow 10x to $10,000. Now, these stocks are going to be 7 specific stocks in different industries, ranging from defense to crypto to banks and other different stocks that you want to look at. So go ahead and subscribe to the video if you're looking to learn more about how to 10x your money over the next 10 years. And at the end of this video, what I'm going to do is actually show you how I'm going to invest $1,000 into these 7 companies. And I'm going to track these throughout my channel to see how they're growing month to month and year to year. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And now let's look at stock number 1 that you should be putting in your 10x portfolio. The first company we're looking at is probably not on your radar. It's a company called Nucor, ticker symbol NUE. This is one of the biggest steel companies in the United States. And with the year-to-date performance of 32% and a lot of the social sentiment showing as a strong buy, I think this is a core holding in your portfolio over the next 10 years. I think with a lot of manufacturing going to be now in the United States as opposed to importing them from other countries, I think Nucor is a core holding from a steel perspective because I think we're going to be doing a lot of building and a lot of manufacturing in the United States over the next 5 to 10 years. So the easiest pick, I think, it's a little bit off the radar, but Nucor, ticker symbol NUE. The second company we're looking at in our 10x portfolio is an American car company, General Motors. I think with a lot of onshoring of car companies, especially with the not so adoption of electric vehicles, I think General Motors is in a really good place if they're manufactured in the United States. There's always going to be need for cars. I think in the next year or two, it's probably going to be a little bit slow, but I think General Motors is going to be a key holding over the next 10 years because they are one of the top car companies in the United States, and they're going to be manufacturing in the U.S. Mary Barra, the CEO, has been a great CEO over the last 10 years. Car companies haven't been great to invest in simply because obviously about 15 years ago, a lot of these car companies were bankrupt, and Obama had to bail them out during the 2009 kind of Great Recession. But I think GM is on the comeback with Mary Barra running as CEO, and I think you should hold this in your 10x portfolio. The next core holding in the 10x portfolio is Raytheon, ticker symbol RTX. As you may be aware of in the news, Trump just submitted his defense military package to Congress for approval with an estimated $1.5 trillion in defense spending. Now, with the war going on in Iran, like I said, this isn't about politics because I think the Iran war is going to be over in the next probably 2 to 3 months. But Raytheon is really going to be a beneficiary of Trump's policies over the next 2 years. And defense spending really doesn't slow down because just from an overall economic standpoint, people are always going to be wanting to invest in the latest technologies as it relates to military and defense. I think Raytheon is in a great position. We've been utilizing a lot of the Tomahawk missiles and a lot of other technology that's going to need to be replenished over the next 10 years. I think Raytheon is a core play in your portfolio going forward for the next 10 years. The next core holding in our 10x portfolio is Exxon Mobil, ticker symbol XOM. Exxon Mobil is one of the basically number one oil and gas company in the United States. They're always reporting record profits, record earnings. This company makes a ton of money. And I think going forward, oil and gas prices continue to rise over the next year or two. Probably going to stabilize a little bit, probably go down. But the opportunities in Iran, the opportunities in Venezuela, the opportunities for oil and gas exploration in the United States is going to be absolutely huge over the next 10 years. Exxon Mobil is a huge benefit of this. They're basically a profit machine, even when there's no geopolitical stuff going on. Exxon Mobil is going to be a key holding in the next 10 years. You should jump aboard XOM. The next stock in our 10X portfolio is Bank of America. This bank always does well, whether in good times and bad times. And when other banks are in trouble, it's usually Bank of America coming to the rescue. I think if the government unleashes banks where they don't have to hold as much cash on the balance sheet, I think Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan Chase do really well over the next 10 years. Financial stocks have taken a beating over the last 2 years, but have really come back in the last year. And I think in financial services, in the banking sector, while they're not the biggest, Bank of America is going into the 10X portfolio and is really going to gain well over the next 10 years. The next stock in our 10X portfolio is Coinbase. Now, I know that the price of Bitcoin has gone down a lot over the last 2 years, and it's starting to make a rise up. But if people are buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other different meme coins, they're buying it on Coinbase. And I think with the dollar, the US dollar being kind of negative right now and the dollar going down because of the government deficits, I think a lot more people are going to get into Bitcoin in the next 5 to 10 years. And I think Coinbase is going to be the biggest beneficiary of any type of crypto movement going forward. So ticker symbol COIN for Coinbase. You won't be disappointed in the portfolio. The last pick in our 10X portfolio is Carvana. They're the number one seller of cars online. Now, with cars becoming more expensive, I think over the years, people are going to be buying used cars and they're going to buy them more online. I think a lot of people aren't going to be owning cars in the future. What's going to happen is they're going to either own used cars or they're basically going to be subscribed to maybe to a Tesla or a Waymo to drive them around. So this is a real wild card in the overall portfolio, but the company name is Carvana. There you have it. Those are the 7 picks that I'm putting in my 10X portfolio that I think are going to grow 10X over the next 10 years. If you like this content, please destroy the subscribe. Want to put this out to as many people as possible. As you can tell, I'm passionate about investing. I'm passionate about helping people make money. But I want to ask you, go ahead and comment below. Are my picks complete garbage? Do you think they're complete nonsense? You would invest in any of these 7 stocks? Or do I have some pretty good ideas? And once again, tell me your ideas. What 7 stocks would you invest in to 10x your money over the next 10 years? Once again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and comment below. I'm very interested in hearing about your particular stock picks. Thanks and have a great investing day.